In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the difference from previous years with Excel pivot tables. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and the goal is to use a pivot table to compare values across years by showing the difference from the prior year. This is especially helpful when you want to analyze year-over-year performance, such as sales growth, changing expenses, or any other metric that needs a clear comparison over time. To follow along, open Excel and make sure your data is organized in a simple table format. In this example, the data includes 3 columns: year, product, and sales. A sample dataset might include laptop sales of 1,200 in 2023, 1,450 in 2024, and 1,600 in 2025, along with mouse sales of 450 in 2023, 500 in 2024, and 650 in 2025. The key idea is that your data should be arranged in rows, with each row representing one record. Now let's build the pivot table. Start by selecting your data range. Once your data is highlighted, go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Excel will ask where you want the pivot table placed, and from there, you can create it in a new worksheet or an existing one, depending on your preference. Next, in the Pivot Table Fields pane, place the year field into the Rows area. This will list each year in order, making it easy to compare values from one year to the next. After that, drag the Sales field into the Values area. This gives you the total sales by year. To calculate the year-over-year difference, drag the Sales field into the Values area a second time. You'll now have 2 copies of the sales summary in your pivot table, and the second one is the one we'll customize. Right-click the second Sum of Sales field, then choose Show Values As and select Difference From. A settings box will appear. For base field, choose Year. For base item, choose Previous. Then click OK. Once you do that, the second value field will display the numeric difference in sales compared to the previous year. This means instead of only seeing total sales, you'll also see exactly how much sales increased or decreased from one year to the next. This method is recommended because it gives a direct numeric comparison that's easy to read and useful for reporting. If your years are sorted properly, Excel can calculate the change cleanly and make trends much easier to spot. And that's how to show the difference from previous years with Excel pivot tables.